Everyone, today we will start with C language introduction. So at first, what is C language? C language is a procedural programming language initially developed by Dell. So what is procedural programming language? Procedural programming means it will do the step and do the thing in step by step process, like in C programming there is a functions or series, and in that section we will do step by step process. So that's why the C language is called procedural programming. So, and it was developed by Dennis Ritchie. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write the Unix operating system. So the main features of the C language include general purpose and portable. For general purpose, we use C language. We can use C language, and then portable. What do you mean by portable language? C language can run in any machine. Low level memory access. C language has low level memory access, faster speed, and clean syntax. So why should we learn C? Many languages have borrowed syntax features directly or indirectly from the C language, like the syntax of Java, PHP, JavaScript, and many other languages that are mainly based on the C language. Java and PHP, that are latter languages which borrowed the syntax and features directly or and indirectly from the C language. So C language is the base of programming language. So if a person learns a C programming first, it will help them to learn any modern programming language as well. So if we have to learn the programming first, we have to learn the C language first. So that's how. After that, there is write the first program in C. So in the first program in C, we have to write the thing hash include stdio.h. Then int main, int a equal to 10, printf percentage d a, return 0. So the output is 10. So there we can see the thing hash include stdio.h. So what is that? Hash include is a preprocessor directive, and stdio.h is header file, input output header file. Int main is main function. Int main is main function, and int is a data type. We will learn later about this. A is a variable, and 10 is assigned to a. Then printf is a printing function, and then percentage d, which is a format specifier, and then a for printing the value of a, and return 0. So there we use int main, that's why we return 0 here. If we use void main, then void main has no return type. So output is 10. After that, the structure of C program. We just learn about the hash includes stdio.h, what is header, int main void main function, printf hello world, that is statement, and return 0 return. Then what is hash include stdio.h? Hash include stdio.h is a preprocessor directive. So this is the preprocessor directive that tells the compiler to include the contents of the another file in the current source code, and stdio.h, which is the file name of the header file. What does stdio.h contain? The stdio.h file provides a set of functions for performing input-output operations. Some of the most common functions included in stdio.h are printf for formatted output to the console, printf for output function, scanf for formatted input from the console, then getchar for reading single characters, and putchar for writing single characters. So in stdio.h mainly what contain? Mainly it has the input output header files. Then after that, there is int main in the program. So next part of the C program is declare the main function. Int main is main function. It is the entry point of a C program, and the execution typically begins with the first line of the main. The int that was written before the main indicates the return type of the may. After that, the statement printf hello world. Printf for printing any command in the C compiler. So this is the statement instruction given to the compiler. In C, a statement is always terminated with a semicolon. So in C, we have to give semicolon in every statement. In this particular case, we use printf function to instruct the compiler to display hello world. So there we instruct the compiler to display the hello world. So after that, the return statement. Return statement is what? Return statement refers to the return values from a function. Return values from a function. The return statement and the return value depend upon the return type of the function. The value 0 typically means the successful termination. So when we write return 0, it means the successful termination of the program, C program. In the next video, we will learn variables or operators. Thank you. Portable means